What's up, guys? I made another airplane. It's my second airplane, and I kind of made it a little bit more realistic. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I did a little bit of tests on it to see, because I had to make it nose heavy a few times. Like I had to put a lot of stuff in the front to make it nose heavy because the back just kept boom. So this is not an RC plane. It's got no elevators and no elevator flaps, and yeah, that's basically it. No, I'm not an engineer. Alright, I'm gonna fly it now. No, let's just look at it first. It does not have any landing gears like the last plane, which is all the way back over there in the grass, broken. What's the point of keeping that plane if you got this cool plane in here? Alright, let's fly this one. I hope this sounds better in this video. The last video was terrible. Right. Ready?
No, I'm gonna turn you inside a freaking butterfly and get stepped on.
What the heck? Okay, ready? No, Caleb. Guys. Alright, I'm gonna do it. 3, 2, 1. Wow, okay, that sucked. Let's go check it out. Should we try that again or something? I don't know. I mean, wasn't that bad? Was it? I don't know. Okay, let's try this again. Attempt number 2, I guess. Not really. Let's try it. Alright. That kind of sucked. By the way, this is how high I'm throwing it from. About 10 feet more. Where's my plane go? Corn. Where's my plane? Oh, there it is. Let's grab it. Attempt number 3 in this video. Ready? 3, 2,
Lasagna.
1. Okay. Well, I mean, it's kind of cool. Whatever. I mean, this was a fun video, right? I mean, you guys saw the plane go, right? It's cool. More time? Okay. Alright, Ty's throwing it this time. Ready? Okay, ready? Oh. That was a little bit better than my throws because I have a camera in my hand and stuff. And I wasn't trying to throw it that hard because I was kind of worried if the plane would break a little bit more, but that was a little bit better.
It's probably a little more powerful, I think.
Yeah.
That's how I did it.
Okay. Alright, he's doing it again. 3, 2, 1. Poof. He's here. Alright, go! Oh god. Okay, the tree branches are kind of like terrible in this video. But the plane landed. Again, the plane likes to land actually now. Yeah, see? What are you doing? What the heck, Caleb? By the way, this is my brother Caleb. Okay. 9? No, this is not attempt number 9. What? Wait, what? Oh, dang it. I messed up on that one.
We're doing an airplane.
You did.
Okay.
Okay.
Firing the hole.
You guys really like that swing, do you?
Firing the hole, guys.
Alright, go. Wait, what do you mean fire in the hole? Oh, that was a crash landing, but it worked. Gosh, those construction workers are really annoying right now. I know you're just trying to make a big street over there and making the highway better and the roundabout, but my thing is zoomed in, Caleb, so it looks weird. Wait, did I take the plane? Yep, he took it again. Alright. Okay. Attempt number 67. This is not. What? Alright. I mean, the plane looks really good.
Attempt 101.
He's eating the plane. Alright, this looks good.
Attempt number 101.
Attempt no. Okay.
Attempt 100 and 200.
Okay.
That's not even a thing, but okay.
Alright, go. I mean, it landed at least, and it's fine. We've been just watching an airplane flying, guys.
It's not going straight. So if you didn't see the other video, Brody made this giant plane, but it kind of broke because it was during the nighttime.
This was like a bad plane. It's so much bigger, like 10 times bigger as that plane over there.
This is kind of crooked. The back. But
Yeah, I know the back is
this
crooked.
one
But
doesn't
this
work.
one is just like wiggly wobbly. We don't want to keep it because it sucks. We're just leaving it in the backyard because we're not. What the? Okay.
See, look it.
I put 2 on this plane because this is the second plane I've made. How many planes should I make?
Oh, let's try this one.
Okay.
You try it.
We're doing the big plane?
Yeah, the big plane sucks.
Alright, yeah, I know.
It's gonna be so good.
Should I put landing gears on that plane?
No, I think that's gonna weigh down the plane.
The little plane.
Guys,
Yeah. This is what it looks like.
wow, that was so good.
I know, right?
That was so good.
Yeah, I like the other plane. I like the smaller plane because it doesn't have that much stuff on it. And it's a lot cheaper.
That was so good.
I mean, they're both cheap. But I mean, that kind of looks like those store-made planes. That did a little trick. Alright, let me try flying it.
I'm gonna fly this.
Alright, see what happens.
Yeah, I recorded.
Hold on, what's happening? Okay, I got a recording.
20 minutes.
I'm gonna throw the plane over.
20 minutes.
Guys, catch it. I'm gonna throw it over the fence. Cool.
I have 2 subs.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna throw the plane over.
Subscribe to me.
I don't know what you're.
Jody's channel. Go on Jody's, and then I'm on his.
Okay, hold on.
So guys, you gotta go subscribe to Jody.
That's not her YouTube channel name. Alright, ready? I'm gonna throw the plane over. You guys gotta catch it.
No, Brody.
Wait, never mind. I'm not because there's dogs over there. Alright, let's go to our backyard. Bye.
Make sure to subscribe to Gaming with Carson.
What?
Make sure.
Tegan's on our swing though. Should we just leave her there?
Tegan's on our swing.
Should we just leave?
I can't go. Who's on the swing?
Tegan. What the frick? Hey, whatever.
What was that?
I don't know, they're just making weird noises. And there's so many noises, the construction workers too. The roundabout's unfinished. The road and the highway just got torn down. How else could it get worse? Oh yeah, a car can crash from the roundabout into our backyard.
I'm bleeding from a plant.
You're bleeding?
I'm
Where?
bleeding from a plant.
Where?
On my foot.
Okay.
Make sure to subscribe to
Subscribe to
Gaming with Carson.
and Jody's Life and
Tegan's.
no, that's not what it's called. What is it called?
Tegan, you know
The Caker Bakers. Subscribe to the Caker Bakers on YouTube too. So those are all the those are all the channels to subscribe to. Oh, and also Caleb's Activities.
Tegan doesn't have one.
Oh, okay.
Jody does though.
I know.
Jody's YouTube video.
Okay. Go watch their YouTube video.
This weird thing on the ground at my house.
Okay.
Wait, it has an address. Don't
does?
post that yet.
Oh, okay. I won't post that then. Poop nuggets. I'm gonna go throw this plane in the yard this time. What was that sound? I don't know. I made it. Oh, I can see something over there. Cool, whatever. Well, this video was fun. I made another plane. We had fun in our backyard.
Do you have TikTok on that thing?
No, I don't have TikTok yet.
Download it.
Okay. Should I upload that other video I made? Like when it says subscribe to those people? Like the Caker Bakers and Jody's, the Caker Bakers video. But the thumbnail of the video, it just automatically makes it, so it has Madison's face in it. Should I keep it though?
Jody renamed her.
Alright, never mind. The Caker Bakers isn't real anymore. Subscribe to Jody's Life. And Caleb's Activities. And Gaming with Carson. Subscribe to those people, have fun. Subscribe to us too. Like this video, please.
24 hours on the swing.
24 hours on a little swing? What if it breaks? I mean, what if the tree branch falls down? That would suck. Are we just gonna end the video now? I mean, it's kind of pointless because the mic's probably broken. And I don't even have a mic, it's just a tablet with a cracked screen because this one video I was making of the snow in our backyard. Go watch Jody's Life new video. Gaming with Carson. He made a new video, I think. I don't know if he uploaded it. I think he did. Anyways, have fun. Have fun. Have fun. What should my outro and my intro be like? I don't know. I just say, hey guys, that's what it is, yeah. Bye guys, should be the outro. Ooh, there's corn on the ground. Come get your corn. We'll sacrifice your newborn. What should my TikTok account be? And if you don't want me to download TikTok, I won't tell you.
Brody, can you push us? No! I got it! I'm gonna go, hi! Okay.
Nope, I'm kicking it.
The best.
Oh god!
For some reason today, like a few minutes ago.
Should Ty get a YouTube channel?
He's not care. Oh, information. It's like, I really
No,
feel like I'm
okay.
reformed.
Remember guys, if you're making a YouTube channel... What? Okay. I want to make money soon on YouTube. I mean, I kind of work hard for this crap. Is there someone in our backyard? Who's running into our backyard? Oh, that's Caleb. Hi, Caleb. Oh, there he is. Okay.
Fly if you can.
Where did... Yeah, okay, there's the plane. Okay, where'd the other plane go? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so how I made this is, cardboard and tape. That's it. Cardboard, tape, pen, stuff. I used a ruler, scissors, it was clear tape. Not many materials needed to make this. It's not expensive, it's really cheap. I guess I'd say this would be probably, if you ever make this, the materials would cost, I guess, $20 for all the things you need. If you just need to buy the cardboard, then it'd probably be, let's say, $1 or $2. I don't know. I think cardboard's cheap. I've never bought. Is that a bird nest in our backyard? Oh yeah, they fall down. I forgot. Why is there a porta potty over there? Weird things are happening. I almost dropped my tablet. Alright, let's do it. You wanna fly the plane? Okay. Alright, testing it up there. Did you ever ask your parents if they can be in other videos, like their faces? Because there's a few videos that have it. Okay. Okay. Alright.
Fly! Lay down! Lay down!
Oh no, it didn't land this time. That's like the first time, or probably like the second or third time it's actually... What? What do you want, Ty? What? I'm making a video right now. I have a camera in me. thing. My hand. I'll kick. Oh,
Ready?
God.
Going mayday. I want to go so
Yeet.
high. Can someone push me? I go high.
Yeah, I'll
I'm gonna
kick
go
it.
as high as I can.
Alright, here you go.
Nice.
Here.
I'll do it.
Oh my God.
My kids give me my
This is fun.
kids. My kids give me. Huh? He's the next Mr. Beast.
What?
Mr. Beast's real name is Jimmy.
I know.
Don't sit on my tile.
Plants.
Mr. Beast.
Oh my God. Big backyard. House. Shed. Tree. Trampoline. Swing. Fence. Yield. Grass.
Jimmy, what have you done?
Fruits. Me. Fallen leaves. Wait, no, those aren't fallen leaves. Leaves still up there. Spiky leaves though. Corn. Sandals. Oh my God, they're yelling. Look. If I'm getting TikTok, I'm not dancing it, I just saying. Butt cheek log.